One of the more talked about activities or behaviors that people engaged in during the COVID-19 crisis was the idea of hoarding goods, hoarding things. And in particular, early on, people were hoarding toilet paper. This particular picture is reflective of a couple of women fighting over some of the last remaining rolls of toilet paper in this particular store. And we look at this behavior and think, what are you going to do with all that toilet paper? That just seems kind of crazy. Why not just buy what you need so that other people can also buy what they need? And then the store shelves will get restocked. It's not like toilet paper is endangered in any way. But people react differently during pandemics and during times of a lot of fear and uncertainty. That behavior is incredibly irrational on the part of people doing the hoarding. Nevertheless, they still engage in that behavior. So, as economists, we want to understand that behavior, and one of the ways we can do that is through looking at psychology. And behavioral economics tries to understand through an economic prism how people respond in irrational ways to events like pandemics. We could almost say it's predictably irrational because every time there's some dramatic event or chaotic event, whether it's a hurricane or whether it is a pandemic or whether it is even just the threat of snow coming, people start to hoard. They start to stock up on things like water and canned goods and toilet paper. So we use behavioral economics to try to understand these incredibly irrational responses that people have to these uncertain times.